our team is hard at work being able to reinforce this particular roof. So it's a good job that they are doing. You do have the peace of mind of knowing they have been working in sections. So the sections that they have been working on has been more a case of essentially 10 compartments. So they are taking off the older wood, which not only was dated but equally in terms of strength, structural strength, wouldn't be able to hold the weight of the solar panels that are coming their way. So what we have been doing and what they have been working with us on is taking off the roof in sections. So as you're able to tell, we have this section over here is open, and so this was started today in the morning. We did have this other sections going all the way till this portion, which have been being done piece by piece. So after opening them up, we're replacing the wood, making sure that the structural integrity of not only the roof but equally where the panels are going to be placed is sound. So that one has been confirmed. We're going to be moving forth and doing the same to this is the first building, and so the second building, which is right over here, is equally going to go through the same condition. So the same condition of us being able to peel its top, make sure that it is structurally sound, and then our team will actually begin with installing the panels tomorrow. It is going to be on Monday, so that's going to be good.